Hello everyone, welcome to Sahu Education. Today is the first session of class 7. Now we are going to learn about integers. Dear student, already you know about different number systems like natural number, whole number, integers, etc. Let us discuss little more about numbers. Now you know digits as well as numbers. Then today we will discuss what is digit, what is number. We will say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Okay. Also we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as the number or unit single digit numbers. Okay. So in numbers we can say 2, 3, 10, 15, 115, etc. Here you see what is the difference in number. In number contains different number digits, different numbers of digits. 2, 3, these are single digit numbers. 10, 15, these are 2 digit numbers, and 115 is the 3 digit number. Like a number can be written using different types of digit. So today we will discuss now natural number. You know natural number can be written as capital N. Okay. So when you will learn in higher classes that N will represent as the set for natural number, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, and there is no N. Because we will add 1 with the highest number, will get the next number. So there is no end of the natural number. Or we cannot say there is a biggest natural number, but smallest natural number is 1. Okay. Now we will say whole number. What is whole number? This can be represented as capital W. So we can say whole number is only added 0 with the natural number. So 0 is the lowest whole number, when 1, 2, 3, 4, ... because there is no biggest whole number. Okay. Now next come to integers. It's represented as capital Z. You know, it's a combination of whole numbers as well as negative numbers. Okay, we'll represent this as 0. From the right side of 0, we'll write +1, +2, +3, no n. Similarly, in the left side of 0, we'll write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, ... Okay. So if we will remember here, when we will proceed from left to right, the value will increase. So we can see here -5 and -1, which is greater. We can say -1 because -1 is right from the -5. Okay. Similarly, we can say +1 is greater or -1 is greater. We'll say +1. Why? Because it's in the right side of -1. So whole number is the lowest one is 0 and contains positive numbers only. And in case of integer, it contains some positive number and negative number 0, which is neither negative nor positive. Okay, we will now discuss how to represent the numbers in the number line. Okay, now we are going to learn number line. See, this is a number line which is endlessly drawn to the two directions, and will represent first natural number in the number line. You know, the lowest one is 1, and next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. This is for natural number. Okay, then for whole number, will represent it by drawing a number line. This is a straight line. Okay, in the straight line, as lowest whole number is 0, we'll start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, dot. Similarly, we can represent integers, that is z, in the number line. Draw a straight line, and always you remember, while drawing the number line, you have to take equal distance between two points. Okay, so equal spacing must be given to represent. So here we will write in the middle, suppose 0, then from the right of 0 we will write +1, +2, +3, +4, like dot dot dot, and from the left of 0 we will write -1, -2, -3, -4, like 0, dot dot dot. Okay, this is the way to represent numbers in the number line. We will discuss with some examples how to represent in number line. Now we will represent the numbers in the number line. Question was, is represent -3, +5, +7, -6 and 0 on the number line. So let us draw a number line. Okay, then we'll take 0 on the middle, then +1, +2. You know, number to number have equal space. Okay, that's important. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Then here in the left we'll write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, etc. So we'll name them. -3. Suppose -3, I'll name it A and underline it. And +5. Here is +5, so I'll name it B and underline it. And C is represented as +7, so I'll write C here and underline it. Round it. Then next we'll see 0. Okay, 0 is supposed written D, we'll write it D and underline D. Then first left +7, +5, -3, then -6 left. So it's maybe write down E and round. So we know A is for -3, B for 5, C for +7, D 0, and here E represent -6. Like this way we have to construct the number line, and through the number line we will represent different varieties of integers. Okay. Now come to question number 2. It's given here, arrange the numbers in ascending order first and then represent in the number line. So ascending order you know already, that is smallest to biggest. Okay, we know the numbers how to represent in the ascending order, but here integers, so be careful. -8 plus 3 minus 1 plus 5 and -6. You know, in the number line which is largest and which is smallest, those which are present in the leftmost side are the smallest, and which are present in the rightmost side is the biggest number. So we'll see -8 plus 3 minus 1 5 and -6. So we'll say -8 is the lowest. I'll write answer of 2, that is -8 ascending order. So here I'll write -8, then -6, then -1, then 3, and last one is 5. Now we'll represent this in the number line. Okay, draw a number line. Here I will represent, this is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here in the left hand side I will write -1, -2, -3, and -4, -5, -6, and -7, -8, and so on. So we'll represent -8 here. This one is the -8, and we'll write it A and round. -6, now it's B. I'll write B as the position of -6 and round. Then to better understand. Then come to -1. This is C. You represent it is C and another one. Here 3 is given. So +3. This is +3. We will write D. D is the position of +3 and round it. And 5. E is showing 5 and round. We'll like this draw the numbers after arranging in ascending order. Okay. Now we'll go to question number 3. It's given here, arrange the following numbers in the descending order and then represent in the number line. Similarly, we'll represent the number in the descending order, means biggest to smallest. Okay. So now we'll solve question number 3. You see, it's about descending order. Descending order. So you can say now from -3, 6, -1, 0, +2, -5. Biggest number is plus number, that is +6. Okay. Then we will say +2. Okay. Then 0. Then -1, and the lowest and the last one is -3. Sorry, another number is given -5. So these are the way of representing numbers according to question number 3 in the descending order. Okay. Now we'll represent in the number line. So let us draw a number line. Okay, I'll represent here 0 first. To the right of 0, plus numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now in the left hand side will represent negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, like so. So first number is plus 6. Here we will represent plus 6 as A and round. Plus 2, here I will represent it as B and round it here. Then 0, here C is for 0 and round it. Then minus 1, that is D, also I round it, and D represent minus 1. Minus 3 is E. E shows the position of minus 3. I rounded it. Then minus 5 is F. F is the position of minus 5. I rounded it for better understanding. Okay? Like this, I am going to discuss some more questions of triadics. Okay? Now, come. Here, I am giving you some time. So, please write down. It's important, and basing on this, we'll solve some of the problems. Okay, continue. Now we'll represent some of the questions here. Question 1 is given. The number line represents the integers in the number line written from A to O, and here said minus 3 and minus 2 are represented by E and F respectively, which integers are marked by B, B, H, J, M and O. Okay, now we'll solve in this number line. Come to B. We'll see minus, D is minus 4, C is minus 5, B is minus 6, H minus 7. So B is represented by minus 6, D is represented by minus 4. Now come to F side, right side of F, that is minus 1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, like this we represented them in the number line, and we'll see H. H is for 0, underline. J. J stands for 2 here in the number line, so I rounded it. Then M. M stands for 5, so I rounded here. Then 0 is not 0, sorry, O is represented by 7 here. Okay, so in this way we solved question number 1. Now let us come to question number 2. It's given here arrange 7, minus 5, 4, 0 and minus 4 in the ascending order and mark them in the number line to check it. Okay, now you all know ascending order, that is smallest to biggest. So we'll first represent the numbers in ascending order, then we'll check it by using the line, number line. So now write down, see again, its numbers are 7, minus 5, 4, 0 and minus 4. You know minus 5 is the smallest, then minus 4, 0, then plus 4 and last one is 7. Okay, to prove, we'll see by drawing a number line. Okay, so number to number should be in equal spacing. So 0, from 0 will put 1 to the right, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now we'll see here it's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, like this. Now we'll represent plus -5 first, it's for A. Then -4, let's see B. Okay. Then 0 is there, we'll write C stands for 0. Then 4, D represents 4, and next is 7. So I will write it E. So E shows here the position of +7. In this way, we will solve the question number 2 and so many other numbers. Now we will discuss another question. In the question, it's given the number line represents temperature in degrees Celsius of different places on a particular day, like places Lahore, Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Utti and Bangalore. So option A is given, write the temperature of different places marked here. Now come to answer of bit A. So here given, we'll write down names, that is Lahore, Spiti. Okay, the temperature of Lahore, Spiti is -7 degrees Celsius. Then Srinagar is equal to, see here, it's -3 degrees Celsius. Then Simla, its temperature is +5 degrees Celsius. Utti, its temperature is +14 degrees Celsius. Next is Bangalore, its temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Now we'll see question number B. Is given, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places? First we'll see what is the temperature at coldest place and temperature at hottest place. You see here Bangalore, it's +22 degrees Celsius. So this is the hottest place. Lahore Spiti, its temperature is -7 degrees Celsius. It's a lowest temperature. So it's given what is the temperature difference. So we'll write down difference of temperature between hottest and lowest places is equal to, so hottest is +22 minus Lahore Spiti is -7 degrees Celsius. So you know +22 minus will be plus. So 22 plus 7, that is 29 degrees Celsius is the temperature difference between hottest and the lowest or coldest temperature places. Okay. Now we will discuss question number C. Here given, what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Lahore Spiti is here minus 7 degrees Celsius, and next is Srinagar. Srinagar is minus 3 degrees Celsius. So we will find out temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. That is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 7, that is equal to minus 3 minus plus 7, that is plus 4 degree Celsius. Temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar is 4 degree Celsius. Okay. Next, come to question number D. It's given here the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. We have to check by adding the temperature of Srinagar and Simla and whether it's less than Simla. Again, check the question. It's given, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. Then next part is given, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So we will first add the temperature of Srinagar and Simla. Okay. So temperature of Srinagar and Simla is equal to, we'll add, so Srinagar is minus 3 degrees Celsius plus Simla is plus 5 degree Celsius. After adding, we will get 2 degree Celsius. It's given the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla. Yes, it's correct. Yes, it is correct. Correct that the temperature of Srinagar and Simla is less than the temperature of Simla. Next is given, is the sum of temperature of Srinagar and Simla is less than Srinagar. Srinagar is given minus 3 degrees Celsius. So next point we will write no. No, it is not correct. Okay. So the temperature of Srinagar is minus 3, but our sum is plus 2. So we will write it's not correct. So this is the end of our class. And for next videos, you have to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thank you all.